Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Leslie. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. It means so much to me when you guys subscribe to my channel. Also, if you hear my toddler in the back, you guys, he is on the bed right here with me in the room, so you might hear him. I'm sorry about that, but you know, hashtag mom life. Thank you so much FABFITFUN for sending this box over for the summer. I was so excited to see everything that I got. What I love about working with them, you guys, is that I do get to give my honest opinion. So let's go ahead and get into it. And the first thing that I see that I really like is they included a catalog. I don't think last season I didn't get a catalog, and this time I did. And I'm really excited that they did send it to me because it's awesome that you can see everything that they have. And then also for next season's box, they give a little teaser of what is to come, a little sneak peek. So I do love that. It is a seasonal box, so it's not a monthly subscription where you have to pay monthly. It's just seasonal. So I do like that. It's like every 2.5 months, every 3 months, then you get a new box. So, and it's a lifestyle box as well. So that's something else that I love, because it's not just beauty products, it's not just workout product, it's everything that you love in one box coming directly to you. And then everything else is full-size products, you guys. Starting off with the full-size product that I've been loving since I got is this Living Proof Perfect Hair Day dry shampoo. Now my hair tends to get oily super fast all the time. It doesn't have a scent. It doesn't leave a white cast on my hair. It eliminates oil, sweat, and odor, and that is true because after I work out in the morning, sometimes I don't want to wash out my hair every single day. And I love to use this, and it gives my hair volume. Another product that I'm really excited about using, and I've actually already used, this is our second packet, is these liquid IV hydration multipliers. Getting more hydration, you're getting electrolytes, you're getting vitamins in this little packet. My husband also likes to drink this. I like that they also come in flavors. So they have a lemon lime, strawberry, and watermelon. I love the lemon lime flavor. I'm gonna make one with you guys how we've been drinking them, how I make them just taste a little bit better, and actually using the stuff in my FABFITFUN box, because again, we get this stuff so we can actually use it. Am I right? I have a really tall glass. I think this is like my father-in-law's beer glass. Someone online, when they were making these liquid IVs, they say to make sure that you don't have like a powdery taste, add more water. Add my pineapple little ice tray molds. I put lime in these just because, like I said, I want the lemon lime to be a little more intense. Oh wait, I grabbed the wrong one. This is the strawberry one. One second. So I went ahead and added some water. Then I'm going to use my little lime squeezer. Just add my own lime. But these little, look how cute they are. Liquid IV here in the lemon lime flavor. This is how I've been liking to drink mine. Just adding it in way more water. The little ice cube trays with the lime. So bomb. This is so good and refreshing. It almost tastes like a lemonade. I want to say like a sweet lemonade, because it's not bitter as much lime as I've already put in here. Because I'm not feeling my best, I've been feeling under the weather, I know this is exactly what I need. Now another full-size product that I've been really excited to try, Summer Fridays CC serum. Love vitamin C serums, you guys, because I actually really do see a difference in my skin when I use the serum and when I don't. When I don't use the serum, I feel like my skin starts to look dull. I do start to see a lot of like sunspot damage and stuff like that under my eyes. 1 fluid ounce, you guys. So, and I know that this is going to be amazing quality. When I've used it, my skin doesn't dry out or anything like that. I feel super glowy. I'm so happy that this came in my summer fun box. Again, everything that's in this box, you guys, I'm going to love, because that's what I love about this subscription box, that you get to customize it 100% for yourself. You get to decide what you want in it, and it's not just hit and miss or a bunch of samples. You know what I'm saying? Because I have had those subscription boxes where everything in here, it's like really the same shaded lipstick every single time. A small sample, like it's none of that. It's things that you want, that you chose, coming to your door, and I love that. And then also, I think I mentioned it last time, is that a lot of these things from FABFITFUN is other businesses empowered and supported by women, but you're also helping and empowering other women to succeed in their businesses. So that is awesome. Let's take a little break, you guys, real quick, because I've been feeling under the weather. It's been raining nonstop here in Houston. And then it's just been ugh. My son had a cold this weekend and he's over it, thank goodness, because you know, as a parent, you hate when your child is sick. And let me tell you, that is when we started using these like crazy, because I was not feeling good, my husband wasn't feeling good, and I feel like I caught whatever my son had. So I'm drinking some tea right here, some green tea with ginger and lemon and honey. I ditched the coffee today and I was like, let me just have some green tea. It'll give me a little boost of caffeine. So excited about is these Obey, I think it's called Obey or OB, resistance bands. And it came with 2 of them, like a trigger point ball. I love these, you guys. So you can do it like on the floor, massage any knots that you may have in your back or on your glutes. Like this is like trigger point massage. So I'm super grateful that they sent this to me, because this is something I need and for my workouts. They're super cute. I love them and I've tried them out. I tried them out, I want to say in May. I started using them. This is something that I actually needed, both of these things. Like, a girl can never have enough bands, because sometimes they end up getting like loose and stretched out, and eventually you gotta try something else. And the other thing that I wanted to show you guys, but it's actually not in here, I just kept it that way I make sure I talk about it. This is actually next to my bed and I love this so much. This is a fruit butter lip mask, and this is by the brand Seraphine. The name says a fruit butter, and it leaves my lips super moisturized, almost feeling like fluffy pillows. And I like to do it at night, that way in the morning like my lips are just feeling super soft. And of course they sent some new summer stickers. These are so cute to go in my planner. I love stickers. These are cute too if you're a person that likes to scrapbook or journal. Gonna be making photo albums, you guys, like scrapbook photo albums. That's my goal, because when I was younger I used to love scrapbooking, and honestly that is the reason why I tell myself that I collect so many stickers. So honestly I love that FABFITFUN sends stickers. First, I always like that they send like little deals, like wine deals, HelloFresh deals, that way you can like try out their meals. But I'm not gonna lie, the 2 times that I have tried the FABFITFUN Hello Meal, like when I've tried to put their discount code, it doesn't work. So I don't know if I'm doing it too late. I should do it as soon as I get my box, or if I'm doing something wrong. Y'all guys let me know if when you've tried the HelloFresh discount stuff that comes in your box, does it work or does it not work? But that is the only one that really I've been interested in trying out. The wine stuff, I'm not a big wine drinker. I'm not a big huge drinker in general. Like, I do like drinking every once in a while, but wine, I'm not there yet. I think is this Dr. Brandt Pore Clarifying Cleanser. I can really tell the difference in the quality from any other drugstore cleansers. I tend to gravitate towards like sensitive skin cleansers, but I feel like with summer our skin is always sweating, our pores tend to get clogged more. I've noticed more blackheads in my skin, so I do like something a little bit more in depth. And for my husband too, we've actually both been sharing this full-size bottle, you guys, of this deep cleanser. And this is not a cleanser that we use every day. I tell my husband to use this cleanser like every 2 to 3 days, that way it doesn't like overly dry my face or irritate my face. Thing that I wanted to talk about, you guys, I'm gonna add pictures in right now. Art & Cook citrus squeezer and the blush pineapple tray. So like I said, they do send like lifestyle and home items. I did try a lime squeezer this time, you guys, because I've been wanting to have one. I have a lemon one. Then the pineapple silicone ice tray, I just thought it was so cute because I love pineapple, and I saw it and I just thought it was so cute. It's little ice cube trays. I'm like, that is perfect for summer, not just to make ice cubes for yourself and for your drinks, but you can make like little chocolates in there. Like, you can make all kinds of cute stuff, especially with the silicone. It makes it easier to like take in and take out. So that was the only other thing that I ordered in my box, and I'm actually have been using everything that's in my box this summer. I feel like it is worth your money. So if you've been wanting to try FABFITFUN, I do have a coupon code. It is blushing, that will give you a discount off your first box. If you want to try it, I'll have a link down below, that way you can check them out yourself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.